Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing materials and launching Design Space. Pick your sticker layout and arrange art to fit the sheet. Once done, load permanent vinyl sticker paper onto a clean mat, smooth side up, and secure photo corners. Make sure your machine setting matches the vinyl type and blade. This prevents tearing and ensures crisp edges. Press make it, then send to machine. You'll hear the motors engage. Watch the first test cut to confirm depth before running the full job. You now weed the sticker. Lift background slowly, starting at a corner, and use a hook to remove tiny islands. Once weeded, cut around sticker clusters to simplify transfer. Next, apply transfer tape over the vinyl, smoothing from center outward to avoid bubbles. Make sure to burnish firmly with a scraper so the vinyl adheres to the tape, not the backing. Finally, align the sticker on your surface using the matte grid or registration marks. Press and peel transfer tape at a low angle. You finish by sealing and curing. If you need extra durability, apply clear laminate or a thin clear coat spray. Let it cure fully. Make sure to peel the transfer tape slowly at a low angle to avoid lifting edges. If a sticker tears or lifts, stop, re-burnish the area, and apply a small amount of heat with a hair dryer to reactivate adhesive, then press down firmly. One key troubleshooting tip. Miscuts often mean pressure or blade settings need adjustment. Do a small test cut before the next run.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.